Welcome back to another home episode. Today we are going to hang a frame. First we're going to put in the cord in the back, and then I don't know if you've seen this, but we're going to hang this, or we're going to use this thing. It's supposed to help out hang, level, straighten, all that stuff. And this is the first time using it, so we'll see how intuitive and easy it is to use. Coming up right after this. Boy, this cord is pretty thick. What kind is this? Wow. 9 foot, 50-pound steel wire. This is a bit much. Let me see what else I got around the house. Alright, 28 gauge. Much thinner, easier to play with. The frames aren't that heavy. And if you double it up, it should be just fine. I'm going to treat these two like just one. Come down, wrap it up. I think this is a fisherman's knot. Don't know the name of the knot. I'll wrap it around. Probably twist these two together. And what you're supposed to do is, oh, and let me clip this so they're even. Even Steven. There you go. Find that separation of when you looped it around. And maybe. Thread the needle. Pull it through. Alright. She ain't pretty, but she'll work. The whole idea of this thing is that when you have your hanging frames, and you have different tautness on these, that you can line it up and mark your holes appropriately. So let's get into it and see how well it works for a first time user. We're going to try to hang this without reading the directions, see how intuitive it is. I got two frames here. They're probably about 5 pounds each. You know, so I think the wire is going to hold there. Anyways, I'm supposed to just hang it on here, and there's a little pin. You can see that little pin. So as soon as you line it up, you just push it in. It gives a mark on the wall. You nail it in, you hang your frames. It should be that easy. Let's see if I can get away with not having everything like the pencil and the rulers and the levels and all that stuff. Let's hang her up. Now this thing has a level on it too, so you should be able to level it. Okay. Put my pin in. Marks the wall. Get the screw her in. That's it. All right. Pretty good. As you can see, everything lines up. You still need a level to go between multiple frames, but for the most part, you don't have to break out the level and the marks and the, moving it down a micromillimeter just because the frames don't align just right. So I like that aspect. And well, really the true test is could I do this thing without reading the directions? Is it too intuitive enough? It is. So take it for what it's worth. If you want to spend the 20 bucks, if you're hanging a bunch of frames, easy peasy. So until next time, stay relaxed, keep on living.